The Thunder are in New York for MLK Day taking on the Knicks. Paul George with 31 points, Westbrook with a near triple-double, 1 assist shy. 17 points, 10 rebounds, 9 assists. Thunder just steamrolled the Knicks. They just came in there and just got rid of them quickly. While everybody's watching, it was the first game of the day. Knicks stood no chance. Look at that. The paint was wide open. They just said, go walk right in there and dunk it. Westbrook pulling up, banks it off the glass. Game is already out of control in the first half. Paul George making it splash. And look at him. He's just posing. He's just standing there. He's having fun. He almost loses it, gets it back, and then goes to the basket for a crazy shot. Nothing the Knicks could do today. Too easy for the Thunder. Everybody's smiling. He misses again. This man is a savage. A three-point shooting savage. Oh, behind the back pass. Oh, look at that. Thurman making it splash. You ready for the Chris Smoove Full Court Press ebook?